Hi friends, before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents these 2 seeds can really do magic on your hair. Today I will share a recipe of an amazing hair oil that will really increase your hair length super fast. To prepare this hair oil, you will need the following ingredients: black cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, coconut oil, castor oil. Preparation: take 2 teaspoons of black cumin seeds, grind it. Take 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds and grind it. In a pan, take 100 ml of coconut oil. In this, add 50 ml of castor oil. Put it on heat. When it is lukewarm, add the ground kalonji seeds and fenugreek seeds. Cook it on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the heat. Let this cool for 4 to 5 hours. After cooled, filter the oil and store it in an airtight glass jar. Apply this oil on your hair 2 to 3 times in a week and leave it overnight. Shampoo your hair the next day. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.